How to use WhatsApp on two phones with the same number without WhatsApp web. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use WhatsApp on two phones with the same phone number without any WhatsApp web. So you don't have to go to WhatsApp web to log into the same WhatsApp number under your two phones. So all you need is one particular phone with that active SIM card or Gmail which you use to register on your WhatsApp account. So first thing, let me just show you. In this device I have already signed into my first WhatsApp account. So if I want to sign in to see the same very WhatsApp account to another device, what I can do is I will just reopen the WhatsApp on my another device just like this and re-enter my phone number which I used to log in my WhatsApp on my other device previously. So once I enter my detail, it will verify my account, and you just have to click on the options which will show you on the following screen. So you can also restore your chats or just skip it and just give it a name, and you can add an email later or right now if you want. So I'll just skip it for a moment, and just like that you have successfully registered your WhatsApp account on two different phones with the same number without any WhatsApp web. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.